Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a crème brûlée drink. First, gather all your ingredients and prepare your workspace for a smooth process. This guide will walk you through each step, ensuring you create a delightful, cafe-quality beverage right in your own kitchen. Get ready to impress yourself and others with this decadent treat, perfect for any time of day. To begin, you'll need 1 cup of whole milk or heavy cream for that rich base. Grab 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar to sweeten things up, and don't forget 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract for a classic flavor. Finally, prepare a shot of fresh espresso or a small amount of very strong coffee to give your drink that authentic coffee shop kick. Now, let's get cooking. Gently heat your milk and sugar in a small saucepan over medium heat, stirring until the sugar completely dissolves. Remove it from the heat, then stir in your vanilla extract and the prepared espresso. Carefully pour this warm, aromatic mixture into a heat-proof glass. For the signature finish, sprinkle a thin, even layer of granulated sugar over the top. The final, exciting step is caramelization. Carefully use a kitchen torch to melt and caramelize the sugar topping until it turns a beautiful golden brown and forms a crisp crust. This creates that iconic crème brûlée crack. Serve your drink immediately to enjoy the contrast of the warm, creamy beverage with the cool, crunchy sugar. Savor every sip of your homemade masterpiece.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.